Very good morning, my dear friends. Myself, Dr. M.A. Chennaya, and I extend you all a hearty welcome to my channel, Mechanical Engineering Lecture Series. Friends, in today's session, we are going to study the projection of a rectangular lamina having the dimensions 30 by 50. So, this is the lamina we have got, or a thin plate, which has got the longer side AD and BC measuring 50 mm, the shorter edges AB and CD measuring 30 mm. He says this particular thin plate or a lamina is resting on HP on one of its shorter edges. There are two shorter edges, my dear friends. One is AB, other is CD. So, it is resting on HP on one of the, say this is the HP, the horizontal plane. Say one of the shorter edges is on this, whereas the side opposite to that is that CD is touching the wall. So, for this is asking you to find out or to draw the front view, the top view, the end view, and they can also ask you to find out what angles the surface is making with the wall VP and the floor HP. Friends, to start with, let us keep this lamina parallel to VP and on HP. This plate is HP at a distance of 20 millimeter from the wall or VP. Friends, in this position, if you just observe, the front view is a rectangle of size 30 mm into 50 mm. The top view is a shorter line CD, and the end view is that mm50, because when you see from the left, the shadow of this falls on the right profile plane, and that will have a length is equal to 50 mm. So, holding this lamina on HP on one of its sides and that shorter edge being parallel to VP at a distance of 20 mm from VP, I am going to get the front view a rectangle, the top view a line of length 30 mm and end view a line of length 50 millimeter. So, I am going to start with this front view, a rectangle having dimension 30 mm by 50 mm. So, I will just mark here, this is A dash, or you can say A1 dash to start with, and this is B1 dash, B dash, C dash, okay. This is a rectangle getting first of all to start with. This is having a dimension 50 mm, marking will do little later. So, front view you know very well, it is a rectangle having the shorter edge 30 mm, the longer edges measuring 50 mm. So, let me not mark anything. For this I am going to get in the end view a line on x1 y1. This x1 y1 is the line of intersection of the wall VP and the right side wall right profile plane, and this is x1 y1. Friends, remember this is perpendicular to xy, that is x1 y1 is perpendicular to this, and this is the end view you have, friends. So, this is at what time distance you should take. He says the plate is held parallel to the wall at a distance of 20 mm from the wall. You can see the distance in the top view and also in the end view. So, very obviously, if you are writing a line here and here if you are writing this 20 mm, so this will be on this line. So, how to get that? You have a line here at a distance of 20 mm. So, I am going to write this line initially representing this top view at a distance of 20 mm from the wall. So, this is 20 from the xy line. This is our xy line to say. So, this is xy, and I am going to get this xy. Here this distance is 20 mm, where the shorter edge is touching the xy line, and front view, how do you get it? Front, the side view, you draw a line here at an angle of 40 degree as we have done in the previous sessions, draw a horizontal from there, it will meet this 45-degree line here, write a vertical from there. So this line here will give you the side view. So front view is a rectangle, top view is a line here, and this end view is going to be a line to start with. I will just show by thin line only. Friends, if you mark the shorter edge like this as A dash B dash, say this is our A dash B dash for the edge AB. This is going to be fixed here, that is A double dash B double dash. It won't change, and then other ends are CD. So this position of this is going to change. Hence I am going to mark this as C1 dash and this is D1 dash. Friends, here this position is fixed. This is A and B. This point is A, this point is B. That is the final top view of the edge is this line. Friends, here this is having a measurement of 50 mm, and this I told you is going to be CD, C double dash D double dash with 1 1, C1 double dash D1 double dash. That is having a length of 50 mm. Now friends, A dash B dash, the shorter edge is at a distance of how much? 20 mm from here, and this is 45 degree. When this is 20 mm, since it is a square, even this will be 20 mm. So the position of this edge AB is fixed both in the front view and end view. Now it was initially like this. Now what I do, the surface of the lamina is now perpendicular to HP. That is A double dash B double dash, C1 double dash D1 double dash is perpendicular to HP. But it says the side opposite to AB, the side opposite to AB is CD, that has to touch this vertical wall, that is VP. So taking this as center, this distance 50 mm as radius, I am going to strike an arc. I am going to draw an arc here. So I have taken that center as A dash B dash, radius equal to 50, I have written an arc here. So the point which was here will move down to this, and we can call finally C double dash D double dash. So, and if you join A double dash B double dash with C double dash D double dash, this will give you the final, this line will give you final left end view or left profile view of the lamina, and immediately you can measure what angle that surface is making with the HP, which is called as theta, and also what is the angle made by that surface ABCD with VP is phi. So you can find out this theta, you can find out phi, the angle made by the line with HP and VP respectively, and remember this theta plus phi is equal to 90 degrees because the VP and the HP are perpendicular to each other, or the wall and the floor are perpendicular to each other. Friends, you have got the final end view, and we can just move or draw a horizontal line from that and locate the corners C dash, and this corner is D dash. So A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash will represent the final front view. I will mark this as front view. This is the final end view. So when you have the front view and end view, it is very easy to obtain the final top view. Friends, you have the shorter edge AB. So you have got this A and B already. This CD is touching here. So you will get this point as C, and this point is going to be D. So I got all the four corners, and this figure ABCD will represent the top view. I will say here the top view. So friends, finally we have got the front view as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. The top view is A, B, C, D, and the left end view or the left profile view is A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash. And this gives you the complete projections of this rectangular plate which is resting on HP on one of the side AB at a distance of 20 mm from the VP or from the wall. And in the same question, they can also ask you to find out what is the distance of that opposite side which is on VP from HP. They can also ask you to find out. So friends, this will give you the complete solution, and I am very sure that you would have followed the complete projections of this rectangular lamina. And friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel Mechanical Engineering Lecture Series by Dr. M.H. Annaya, do subscribe without fail, like the channel and share with all your friends. Have a wonderful day, my dear friends. This is Dr. M.H. Annaya signing off.